I reach out to my brother. I will take his outstretched hand. If I'm to travel much further in a dark and dreary land, I will need to recover my strength to stand. I reach out to my brother with a death trap on my road. He's a friend like no other, and will bear my heavy load. Throws himself on the bomb when I implode. Chords of 3 strings, strong as wood. Iron sharpens iron good. Man was born for brotherhood. Oh, man was born for brotherhood. I reach out to my brother when I have none else beside. When abandoned by lovers, he will tend my languished pride. I'm the ship in his harbor, safe and wide.